Hello, my name is Roger Härtl. I'm a neurosurgeon from New York. I work at Weill Cornell Medical College and Ox Spine at New York Presbyterian in New York City. I'm here today for the 10th annual MIS Symposium where I talked about spinal navigation and disc regeneration for lumbar and cervical disorders. My talk, as well as all the other lectures and demos from today's course, will be posted in the coming weeks at ssfyoutube.org. So stay tuned. In the meantime, here's what's happening at Seattle Science Foundation. Dr. Peter K. Nelson will present at our cerebrovascular Q&A series on Wednesday morning. Dr. Elena Robinson will discuss migraine disorders at our neurology grand rounds on Thursday. And please join us Saturday for our 12th annual SSF Spine Masters course. That sounds very exciting. This course focuses on the surgical treatment of current spinal conditions and provides opportunities to discuss and learn new surgical advances and techniques from leaders in the field. So don't miss it. You can attend both virtually and in person. In-person attendees may be selected to assist in the cadaver demonstrations. As always, you can register for any of our courses at ssfcme.org. And thank you for supporting the Seattle Science Foundation. Thank you.